Tom Ebiacho, Emuron Le Polokiti Adekisi na Soroti, Baptist Medical Center. Yesa balebe, Egiatosi Murokolu, Aitolota Amukian, Aiboshonu, Imoriatosi, Osomero Lodokolo, Temgueri, Tuburu Baptist Church, Keda Soroti.
Kiana na raina kamar tingesi adikasi ni kita. Bunberi yo keda tunis kona pana lopeja. Asati muro kawanya na rijo. Ina kono jara Amukian. Okiti keda tunis ni kona na ija rijo. Raina ni los kintere ngarakini ituma. Ija situma ona negede. Atokso ni kona kita. Tamita kuganda nukedoni konye emina giro kita nenge. Konye do adometelo. Just a loss netting attempt a keon. Taking up to my wire law and Nalew. Amusugut, Helen Flower, Amunokinan, Ara trustee, Orai Asinakinana, a Yangunan, Ka Okilenike, engineer Ian Flower, Abalas, Adekasine Kwapenat, a Midi, a Bukila Okot, a Sukali, Adekana, a Kulam, Ikel, Akonye Kachieda, Ibukeo.
But I come as a trustee with the medics to help organise the camps and help organise what is going on. So that is my part here today. We have come for 2 weeks, or a little bit more than 2 weeks, and we had hoped to do more, but with children going back to school next week, everybody is involved in taking them back to school, so we had to cut short.
13 years ago we built a medical centre at Soroti Baptist Church called Soroti Baptist Medical Centre, and since that time we've been helping the people here who run the place, encouraging them, bringing doctors, helping a little finance.
Netos Adekaka daiche atiokiso kech.
Butungone Baptist Amukian, ya to madiko ka anyana rakonye, konya Adumuko ka Amukian. Plus Amukian ejok.
Amena enyi poroto yi bora itana kini toma ene guara. Mena danga amo marabo sudi balare député. Egeuni e carré dopet. Obonguni la pio ikanya pe. Obonguni la pio uni. Papa na mama pedoli la peunida. Mumuza be itunene. Do ina nakidinga ola.
TV East Tolbate Daiti Adekisi Kano Baptist Medical Center Koibuga Soroti.